The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a tornado warning for central Clark County in southern Nevada until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. As of 3:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This tornadic thunderstorm was located 2 miles southeast of the Las Vegas Strip, moving northwest at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Las Vegas Strip, Henderson, McCarran International Airport, Las Vegas Strip, downtown Las Vegas, Summerlin, and South Summerlin. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged nor destroyed. Damage to roofs, buildings, and trees. Hazard: EF5 tornado.